Hi, it's Pete, and today what we're going to do is have a quick look at putting WhatsApp onto your tablet or PC. Now, WhatsApp doesn't usually work on a tablet or PC because the WhatsApp app is actually designed to work with a mobile phone and rather needs a SIM card. But what we can do is use WhatsApp Web. So go onto your computer or your tablet, into Chrome or your preferred browser, and type in WhatsApp Web. As you can see, my typing skills leave a little bit to be desired. And with the speed of a gazelle, it will actually load onto the screen. And what it does then is it tells you what we need to do is to open the WhatsApp on your phone, tap the menu or settings and select link devices, point your phone to this screen and capture the code. So what we've got coming up now is a QR code. Now, as you can see, it takes time for all of these things to go on, and this is what causes most problems. So we've opened our mobile phone, open WhatsApp on your phone, and then up in the corner there, the three dots, click, choose link devices, and then that will bring this up. And then you point to the QR code on your screen and click it, and then just point at it, and it will actually start to log in. So as it logs you in onto your device, and again, this takes more than a few seconds. You can go back to your tablet or your PC, and there it is on your device. So the next thing we want to do is to make sure we can do it again. So what I do is I click on the three dots in the corner, come down to Add to Home Screen, give it a title. I called mine WhatsApp, and OK. And there is the WhatsApp icon now linked, ready to go. So I've just dragged it off into the different part of the screen, clicked on it, and it again starts to go. Now again, patience is a virtue. It does take more than a few seconds to load, but often this is what causes problems when people get panicking and think it's not worked and start clicking all over the place, and it doesn't. But now it does, and we're in. So there we are, we've now got WhatsApp installed, so the best of luck, hope it all works for you. Thanks a lot, see you later, bye.